Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test your washing machine's water draining motor. It is mounted with the lower body of washing machine. I'm disassembling it. This motor pulls the water draining valve so that valve can open to drain water. This is the motor. As I haven't series testing lamp, so I'm testing this way. Motor is absolutely fine. I'm double checking it. Now I'm reassembling it. I'm giving external power and checking again. Be aware of AC line. As you can see, it is able to pull the valve. Water also draining. So this draining motor is absolutely okay. Inshallah, I'll try to show in my another video how to fix why draining motor is not getting power. Take care. Allah Hafiz.